Hi friends! It's time for us to do some reviewing to get ready for the final check-in of Unit 5. So, if you do not have a whiteboard and a marker or a piece of paper and a pencil, it is time to go get those things. Hit pause and come back when you are ready. Okay, I think you must be ready. Okay, here we go. First problem. I have 28 stickers. My mom gives me 34 more. How many do I have now? I have 28 stickers. My mom gives me 34 more. So am I adding or subtracting? Adding. Because I heard more. How many do I have now? What kind of problem is this, friends? Result unknown. Good job. For a result unknown, we simply solve the problem. We don't have to change the order or anything, do we? So then, from here, I can pick my strategy. How many do I have now? I can use base 10 blocks. I could use a number line. I could use a number string. Remember, when you use a number string, if your number ends up being greater than 10, when you add or subtract, you have to break it apart into tens and ones. So, number string. What do we always do first? Ones place. 8 and 4 equals 12, so I need to break that apart into 10 and 2. My tens, 2 tens and 3 tens is 5 tens, and 5 tens equals 50. My new number sentence is now going to be 50 plus 10 plus 2. Oh, my 0 and my 1 look connected. Let me get those apart. 50 plus 10 plus 2. What's 50 plus 10? 60. Plus 2 more. That will be your answer. 62, and what's my unit? Stickers. All right, that's part 1. Part 2, how many more do I need to get to 100 stickers? I am at 62 stickers. How many more do I need to get to 100? I think the easiest way to solve how many more to 100 problems is definitely a number line. So, if I have my number line and I start at 62, I want to go to the nearest 10. What's the nearest 10 if I'm going up to 100? If I'm counting by tens, 10, 20, 30. If I'm counting by 10 starting at 0, I should be specific because we should be able to count by tens from any number, up or back, right? So if I'm counting by 10 starting at 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. The next closest 10 after 62 is 70. To jump from 62 to 70 is, if I know 2 plus what is 10, then 62 plus what is 70, I made a jump of 8. 62, oh, hello, Baker. 62 plus 8 gets me to 70. I now need to get to, Baker, I now need to get to 100. So, I'm going to jump to 80, 90, and then 100. These were each jumps of 10. Plus 10, plus 10, plus 10. I did 3 jumps of 10 and a jump of 8. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 8 will give me my answer. Maximus says he knows it. What is it? 3 tens and 8 ones. 38 more stickers will get me to 100. I'm going to put my unit of stickers. Can't really see that. There it is. Stickers. All right. Hopefully you were following right along, or you beat me to the answer. All right. Moving on. The rest of these questions today are going to do with one 3-digit number. That number is 842. 842. Please place that number on your paper or whiteboard. All right. Ready? My first question. Please write 842 in expanded form. Go for it. Remember, expanded form is how we say numbers. We say them in expanded form. 842. That was a big hint, wasn't it? All right. Hopefully you wrote this. 800 plus 40 plus 2 equals 842. There is your expanded form. Next question. Has 4 little parts. Ready? First one. What is 10 less 842? Well, guys, I should only be looking at the tens place. And I'm going to take a 10 away because it says less. Less means smaller, fewer. All right, so what is 10 less than 40? 30. You know this. So 10 less would be 832. All right, with that in mind, what would be 10 more? More, bigger, greater than 842. Again, I am only looking at the tens place when I say 10 more. And we can add and subtract from any number by tens. So 42 plus 10 is 52. So the answer is 852. Now, when I switch gears and I say 100 less, what place do you think we look at? We look at the hundreds place. The hundreds place is an 8. 842. I need to go less. What's 1 less than 8? 7. So 100 less than 800 is 700. So my answer is 742. Please notice the tens and ones place did not change. Only the hundreds place because it was asking 100 less. So the hundreds place changed. All right. I think you know what's next. 100 more. I'm still only looking at the hundreds place, except now it's more, greater than, bigger. So if I'm at 800 and I want to go 100 more, where am I going? 900. Tens place and ones place stays the same. 942. Very good. And my very last question about 842. I don't have a lot of room, so I'm going to do it over here on the side. My very last question is, could you please put 842, the digits for 842, could you turn that into a number word, please? And I'm not grading you on spelling, so just try your best. So you write it how you say it, which is expanded form, right? So I am out of room to go all the way across, so it's going to be written vertically, up and down. 800. What do I write next? 40. 40. And lastly, what do I write last? 2. 842. Number word. Okay, that was our review for today to get you ready. Part 1. Part 2, you will do tomorrow. All right. Bye, my friends.